Hello, listeners. I'm Sage, a book lover. I'm back with a new real-life story from a book called The Book of Patience. You'll learn valuable lessons about patience and bunch of vocabulary as we embark on this inspiring adventure. So, let's grab a cup of coffee and get ready.
Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Mina. Her hair was as fiery as her personality. She was known for being quick-tempered and easily frustrated. One day, while cleaning the dusty attic of her grandma's old house, she noticed a mysterious book. Its worn leather cover and fancy gold letters proclaimed it to be the Book of Patience, which made Mina laugh. Patience? Her? It seemed like a strange joke. But something about the book drew her in. Maybe, just maybe, it held secrets to calmness she never thought possible. Out of curiosity, and Mina opened the book, ready for an unexpected adventure, one that might change her life in surprising ways. The first challenge was simple. Wait for the sunrise without checking her phone. For Mina, used to getting things instantly, this felt like torture. Her fingers itched to scroll through social media, to peek at messages, but she forced herself to wait, every second passing like an hour. To control herself more, she tries to distract herself by closing her eyes, taking a deep breath and listening to the birds singing. Finally, she saw the sunrise. Completing her first challenge. It wasn't a big deal, but for Mina, it felt like a giant accomplishment. She overflowed with her first victory. Mina made her everyday struggles into mini adventures as part of her quest for patience. From waiting in lines that stretched forever to listening to people without interrupting. Even letting straggler on the road cruise by without a horn, each challenge became a battle she fought. Waiting was torture. She couldn't sit still, but with each victory, a tiny seed of peace grows inside her. The more patient she was, the more peaceful she felt, like a flower slowly blooming in her heart. Every time she kept her cool, a little more peace bloomed, making her feel stronger and lighter, battle after battle. One part of the challenge scared Mina. It talked about a hidden room in the attic, but only people with patience could find it. Mina didn't believe it, but the instructions were confusing riddles, not directions. They led her to a boring-looking chest with a rusty lock that wouldn't open. Days turned into weeks as Mina tried every lockpick she could find. Her initial curiosity turning into frustration. The locked chest wouldn't open, no matter how hard Mina tried. Her patience grew thin, replaced by a rising frustration. Just when she was about to give up, feeling defeated and impatient, something changed within her. Her grandmother, with her wise eyes and gentle voice, talking about finding the key within. Mina closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and tried something different. She took a deep breath, trying to slow her rushing thoughts and calm her growing impatience. Suddenly, the lock clicked open! She didn't need a special key. All she needed was the patience she already had inside her. A small smile played on her lips. Maybe, just maybe, this dusty book was actually working. Inside, no gold or jewels, just a tattered map, burnt and faded. It showed tunnels under nearby hills. Her new patience? A tiny flame lit up Mina's interest. Days turned into weeks as she figured out the map, each step a test. Could impatient Mina follow this secret map? Each bend and turn filled her with a growing urge. What would this hidden path hold? Mina solved the tricky map after many weeks. Now, She stood near a big, dark hole in the ground, like a scary mouth, holding a light and feeling both scared and excited. She took a big breath and went inside. The cave path was like a maze, testing her bravery and patience. She tripped on rocks, squeezed through tight spots, and her heart jumped at every noise. But as she passed each hurdle, she felt calmer. It seemed the cave taught her to be patient and strong, even when scared. The deeper she went, the less scared she felt, and the more determined and peaceful she became. Mina discovered a secret room in a cave, full of strange writing and a neat golden snake. A message said, "Finding things is cool, but the most important thing is who you turn into while looking." Mina got it! The treasure wasn't gold or jewels. It was the whole journey. Being patient made her braver and calmer. The cool snake, like a symbol of change, seemed happy for her. Mina left the cave feeling brave and new. She learned that waiting can make you stronger, and now she wants to help others find their own treasures by sharing her lessons. The old book about patience became a special guide, showing everyone how waiting can be powerful and amazing. Mina's story reminds us that waiting isn't just sitting around doing nothing. It's about getting stronger, braver, and learning more about yourself, even when things are tough. It's like an adventure, not just reaching the end. And even though you might have to wait a while, the good things you find and the person you become are totally worth it. So, don't worry if things take time. Keep trying hard. And remember, the best treasure is inside you, waiting to be discovered.